making a call is easy. You don't need to press 9 or 8 to exit like some phone systems. You don't need to dial a 1 before the number. You just dial the number. I'm going to press the call button. And then you just pick up the phone. If you're on a call and you'd like to make another call, what you can do is you can press your second line appearance right there, and this will open up a second line where you're free to dial another external phone number or another internal user. If I wanted to talk to Roman, I could just press him there, and I'm doing that on my second line. And if I want to go back, I just press it, and there I'm back. Receiving a call is just as easy. I'm going to generate a call to come in, and we're going to see it come through. And you can either press answer, reject, or you can pick it up. So I'm going to pick up the phone, and that's how you answer a call. If a second call comes through, you are given the option to answer that right here. And once you answer that second call, it'll automatically put the first call on a hold. And to get back to that call, you just press the swap button, and that will swap you back and forth between those two calls you're juggling.